Canada is a land of breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural diversity, making it one of the most captivating travel destinations in the world. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the serene shores of the Atlantic, each region offers its own unique charm and beauty. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the best places to visit in Canada, showcasing everything from vibrant cities to tranquil national parks. Imagine standing in awe of the stunning Niagara Falls, exploring the historic streets of Quebec City, or hiking through the pristine wilderness of Banff National Park. Canada is not just about its natural wonders, it's also a melting pot of cultures, where you can experience the warmth of Indigenous traditions, the vibrancy of multicultural festivals, and the delicious flavors of regional cuisines. Join us as we uncover unique experiences and must-visit locations that will inspire your next adventure in this beautiful country. Get ready to explore the wonders of Canada like never before. Banff National Park. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park is a true gem that showcases breathtaking beauty at every turn. With its stunning mountain scenery, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife, this national park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Picture yourself standing before the iconic Lake Louise, its vibrant blue waters framed by towering peaks, or taking a ride on the Banff gondola for panoramic views that will leave you speechless. The park offers a plethora of activities to suit every interest. In the warmer months, hiking trails wind through lush forests and lead to breathtaking vistas, while in winter, the slopes come alive with skiing and snowboarding opportunities. After a day of adventure, why not unwind in one of the natural hot springs, soaking in the warm waters surrounded by stunning mountain views? Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor experiences or simply want to bask in the beauty of nature, Banff National Park promises unforgettable memories and a connection to the wild that you won't find anywhere else. Niagara Falls. Visiting Niagara Falls is an awe-inspiring experience that captivates millions of visitors each year. The majestic waterfalls, with their thundering cascades and misty spray, create a breathtaking spectacle that is truly unforgettable. As you approach the falls, the sheer power and beauty of the rushing water will leave you in awe. Surrounding the falls are a variety of attractions that enhance your visit, from lush parks to interactive exhibits. For the best views, consider taking a boat tour on the Maid of the Mist, which brings you right up to the base of the falls for an exhilarating experience. Alternatively, the observation platforms offer stunning panoramic views, perfect for capturing that perfect photo. As the sun sets, Niagara Falls transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. Enjoy a diverse range of dining options, from casual eateries to fine dining restaurants, many of which boast spectacular views of the illuminated falls. With its combination of natural beauty and lively entertainment, Niagara Falls is a destination that promises excitement and wonder at every turn. Vancouver. Vancouver is a vibrant city that beautifully blends urban life with stunning natural beauty, surrounded by majestic mountains and the sparkling ocean. This dynamic metropolis offers a unique lifestyle where city dwellers can enjoy the best of both worlds. One of the must-visit spots is Granville Island, a bustling hub filled with artisan shops, fresh markets, and delightful eateries, perfect for a leisurely day of exploration. Stanley Park, another iconic attraction, provides a lush oasis right in the heart of the city. With its scenic seawall, towering trees, and picturesque gardens, it's an ideal spot for a relaxing stroll or a family picnic. For those seeking adventure, Vancouver offers a plethora of outdoor activities. You can bike along the seawall kayak in the tranquil waters, or hit the slopes for skiing in the nearby mountains during winter. With its diverse offerings from cultural attractions to thrilling outdoor pursuits, Vancouver is a city that invites you to explore, experience, and enjoy every moment in this breathtaking setting. Quebec City is a captivating destination that exudes historic charm and a distinct European feel. As you wander through the cobblestone streets of Old Quebec, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by beautifully preserved architecture and quaint shops. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of history, where every corner tells a story. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Chateau Frontenac, a stunning castle-like hotel that dominates the skyline and offers breathtaking views of the St. Lawrence River. Just a short stroll away, the Plains of Abraham invites visitors to explore its expansive parkland, which played a pivotal role in Canadian history. Throughout the year, Quebec City comes alive with vibrant festivals that celebrate its rich culture. From the Winter Carnival, with its dazzling ice sculptures and lively parades, to the summer music festivals that fill the streets with rhythm and joy, there's always something happening. Quebec City is not just a place to visit, it's an experience that immerses you in history, culture, and unforgettable memories. Toronto is a vibrant, multicultural metropolis that offers a rich tapestry of experiences for every visitor. As Canada's largest city, it boasts iconic landmarks such as the CN Tower, where you can take in breathtaking views from its observation deck, and the Royal Ontario Museum, home to an impressive collection of art, culture, and natural history. One of the most exciting aspects of Toronto is its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. From the bustling streets of Kensington Market filled with eclectic shops and eateries, to the historic charm of the Distillery District, there's something for everyone. The culinary scene is a true reflection of the city's diversity, offering a wide array of international cuisines that will tantalize your taste buds. Throughout the year, Toronto hosts a variety of cultural events and festivals that celebrate its rich heritage. From the Toronto International Film Festival to Caravana, a vibrant celebration of Caribbean culture, these events showcase the city's dynamic spirit and bring communities together. In Toronto, every visit is an opportunity to explore, taste, and celebrate the world in one city. The Canadian Rockies are a breathtaking natural wonder that beckons adventurers and nature lovers alike. With their stunning landscapes, including towering peaks, shimmering glaciers, and crystal-clear alpine lakes, this majestic mountain range offers some of the most picturesque scenery in the world. Iconic spots like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake showcase vibrant turquoise waters surrounded by rugged mountains, creating a paradise for photographers and outdoor enthusiasts. Outdoor activities abound in the Canadian Rockies, making it a year-round destination. Hiking trails range from easy walks to challenging backcountry routes, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the stunning wilderness. Camping under the stars provides a unique opportunity to connect with nature, while wildlife viewing offers chances to spot bears, elk, and eagles in their natural habitats. For those who prefer scenic drives, the Icefields Parkway is a must-see route that winds through the heart of the Rockies. This breathtaking highway offers panoramic views of glaciers, waterfalls, and sweeping valleys, making it one of the most beautiful drives in the world. Discover the magic of the Canadian Rockies and create unforgettable memories in this stunning landscape. In this video, we've explored some of the most diverse and beautiful destinations in Canada, each offering its own unique charm and experiences. From the breathtaking landscapes of Banff National Park and the iconic views of Niagara Falls to the vibrant city life in Vancouver and Quebec City, Canada is a treasure trove of adventures waiting to be discovered. We highlighted the outdoor activities, cultural attractions, and rich history that make each location special, encouraging you to immerse yourself in the beauty and diversity of this incredible country. We hope this inspires you to plan your own trips and explore these stunning destinations firsthand. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor adventures or cultural experiences, Canada has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more exciting travel insights and guides. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see where your next adventure takes you.